Hi, here's a review on the Victorinox Swiss Champ. I'm going to start moving along fairly fast because there's a lot of functions on this knife, so I'll try and get through every of them. And here is its large blade, which you can see is very well polished. Every Victorinox is that way as far as I know. And then there's a smaller blade, which is, they both hold just about a razor sharp edge. And here is the nail file, and the metal file, and the metal saw, and the nail cleaner on the end, and the wood saw, which I've got needle sharp. It's an extremely good saw. And fish scaler with a metric and imperial ruler and a hook disgorger, and scissors, which have a very good edge, and pliers, which is probably the biggest tool on here. It's quite, and there's a wire crimper, and I'll see if I can bring this in closer. You can see this little notch right here is the wire cutter, right there. And then there is the Phillips screwdriver, the magnifying glass, the bottle opener with the large screwdriver and wire stripper, the can opener with a small screwdriver on top, the corkscrew with an eyeglasses screw that screws into it. It's quite a neat little function which they've patented. And then the needle, or I guess that would be a pin. Hang on a second. There we go. And, sorry, there, the chisel, which is a very well working chisel. It'll work just like any other tool you'll buy. And the 2.5mm flat screwdriver. And this is a, they call it a multi-purpose hook. I think how they were actually designed is it's a parcel hook. And that's for if you are carrying a parcel and the strings, you don't want them to dig into your hands, so you hook the hook into the strings of the parcel. But anyway, it can be used to, if your bicycle chain is jammed, it's really good for pulling that out. And it's reamer, or awl, with the sewing eye. It's good belt punch, just good for drilling holes in wood, those sort of things. And it's ballpoint pen, which is a lot like a pen refill, really. Just kind of writing with those. And toothpick. Tweezers. And I think that's about it. It's a great do-it-all knife. Thanks for watching.